Now let's take a look at waveform capture rate. So here on the 7000, we can turn on our channel at 10 gigasamples per second. And now let's look at the waveform capture rate. So we're going to turn on the counter, and that's showing your waveform capture rate at about 680,000 samples per second. Now the great thing about the 7000 is how many other things we can turn on and still really accomplish a super high sample rate. So turn on a couple different things here. Now turn on the FFT. We've got the Keller grade on. Let's turn on a cursor on that FFT as well. So we can see the peak cursor at the 25 megahertz of that sine wave. Now let's see what else we can turn on as we continue to work on this. Let's turn on some measurements, like our digital voltmeter. Can turn that on as well. Now we can go ahead and let's add some serial decode capabilities. So if we just do serial decode on that underlying sine wave there in a little parallel bus mode. And now let's look at search and mark capabilities. So looking for peaks and edges within our single memory sweep. We can create reference waveforms. We can also add a table of measurements as well. Now we can see really a whole set of measurements being done in a number of samples and really still maintaining that 680,000 waveforms per second area.